I came here in April and to see what we could do in Odessa, and one of the top needs I was hearing was the need for properly packed first aid kits. Вона у вас була
Tourniquets actually save more bleeding patients than doctors or surgeons. We heard there was a need here, and we're happy to partner with Hope and to come and be part of the solution and to help our brothers and sisters here in Ukraine.
You must get all the slack out of the tourniquet. So if you're putting it on, one unique thing to this chest seal right here is it does have a vent in the center of it. So depending on where your injury is, you're gonna.
You have a needle until it goes in. You'll feel a pop when you get into the pleural space.
And then you just slowly stick it back into the back of the nose. Pressure here. I have to be able to fix the rest of them and then evacuate them out. So
You can't, you will not hit the heart.
Слава Україні!
Героям слава!
Слава Україні!
Героям слава!
Спасибо вам большое за помощь, за все. Спасибо.
Вам спасибо.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Дети наши. Да, прям, да.